Cooks River Trail follows the river from Crimea in the south on Botany Bay to Strathfield in the north. When you reach Strathfield Golf Club on Yarrawee Road, you will see a fence along which Strathfield Council has attached wonderful photographs depicting the history of the suburbs of Strathfield and Homebush. In 1882, one of the first housing developments in this area was at Underwood Estate in Homebush. Parramatta Road is one of Sydney's oldest roads, opening in 1811, linking the suburbs to the city, but it was a long and arduous journey. 2 railway stations were built at Homebush and Strathfield in 1910 to easily transport commuters to the city. The first post office in this area was opened at Homebush in 1915. The need for employment in these suburbs saw many factories built in the west. In 1910, there was the Homebush Flour Mills, owned by Joseph Chicken, which operated until the late 1980s, when it couldn't compete with imported flour. Arnott's Biscuit Factory at Homebush operated from 1926 until 1997, when it was relocated to a larger factory at Huntingwood, to the west of Homebush. Also in 1926, 2 large overseas corporations, Columbia Graphophone and H&V, located on Parramatta Road, started their record processing plants. There were more cars on the roads, and by 1952, Ampol had opened their first service stations. Homebush Intermediate High School opened in 1926, which later became Strathfield Girls High School in 1953. 1936 was an interesting year. A Homebush newsagent sold just about everything. A newspaper, the Labour Daily, covered the Spanish Civil War, which was an ominous sign of things to come. From 1936 to the 1970s, Henry Sterling Limited, a large textile manufacturer, was located in Homebush. Homebush Boys High School opened in 1936 and boasts an impressive list of successful, high-profile alumni from many fields. As Housing Commission homes were built during the late 1940s and 50s, ballots were held for the new flats and cottages all over Sydney. Some young families waited for years to find a home of their own.